Hello, welcome to this short lesson about how to find the average of a set of numbers. Let's begin. We should probably start by defining what average means. Average means the typical value in a set of numbers. Sometimes, some people will use the word mean as a synonym for average. Don't worry if you hear this, they mean the exact same thing in this context. Now, let's work on an example. Let's say that we have the numbers 19, 6, 4, 8, and 23. Our first step should be to add all the numbers together. 19 plus 6 plus 4 plus 8 plus 23 equals 50. Our second step is to count how many numbers are in our set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 numbers in our set. Now comes the final step. In step 3, we take our sum from part 1 and divide it by our count from part 2. 50 divided by 5 equals 10. Our average is 10. That's pretty straightforward. So, to review, to find the average, you add all the numbers in a set together. 27.8 plus 15.7 plus 56.7 gives us 100.2. Step 2 is to count how many numbers are in your set. Our current set has 1, 2, 3 numbers in it. Finally, step 3 is to take your sum, which is 100.2 in this case, and divide it by your count, which is 3 in this case. 100.2 divided by 3 equals 33.4. That means 33.4 is your average. Not difficult at all, is it? Now you know how to find the average of a set of numbers. I hope this video helped you. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe.